Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to quickly access all your selected folders from anywhere just by clicking right mouse button. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for one application name as My Folders, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. I will see your download option. Just click on this download. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run this software installer. Now just click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish, and now just right mouse click and just click on this show more options. Now here you will get one new option, My Folders. Now you can see here, go to. So by default it has added some default folders for you, and you can add different more folders just by clicking on this folder, and you can select your respective folder. Say let me select one folder, say pictures. Click on OK. So it's asking confirm, click on yes. Now just right mouse click again, click on this show more options and click on this go to. Now you will see here one new folder has been added, and below you can see tons more options like open common. So I'm not gonna show you each and every option here. You can check out by yourself, and you can see here settings. Just click on this settings, and here you can customize depending upon your needs. You can add or remove. Say you want to remove some folders, then you can just remove all the folders also, or you can add a particular folder, and even you can add a separator here. And even you can import or export this configurations. You can just click on export to export this configuration. You can save it for your future purpose, and you can import also. And once you're done, click on this done. Now let us right mouse click again, click on this show more options, select this My Folders. Now go to. Now you will see here one horizontal lines are being added after each folder name. As you can see here, we have added separator, right? So the separator has been added. And if you want the older style context menu, then you can just click on this, re-enable the full Explorer context menu like the Windows 7 context menu. Then you can just click on it, and you need to restart your computer. So I'm not gonna do it right now. So if you want a older style context menu, then you can just click on this option which I've shown you just now. So by using this application named as My Folders, you can quickly access all your selected folders from anywhere just by clicking right mouse button. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.